students, like, they want the internships their own field. Like if we say there is a BTech person and he wishes to do internship in Google or Microsoft, but doesn't know how to approach the particular organization. So what will be like your tips, and what are the steps that he can use to approach the particular organization of his own choice?
So usually students spend their time in Facebook and Instagram, which is okay to have. But when
Yeah.
they are going for a professional, LinkedIn profile is highly recommended because that's where professional people, MNC recruiters are available already, and they keep posting their internship offering in the platform. But most of the students don't maintain a LinkedIn profile or don't create a profile. That's what I would see. But if you're aiming at MNC kind of an internship, maintaining a LinkedIn profile is highly recommended, where you can directly connect with Google recruiters who are already available there. Okay. So my opinion or perspective here is LinkedIn is not a job portal or LinkedIn is not a social networking platform. Okay. LinkedIn is a networking platform where you network with people. Okay.
Exactly.
It's not a
Yes.
place for applying for jobs. That part we have to be very clear, and students has to be very clear about that.
Mhm.
Although there is an option of applying for jobs, it is just a option and not a effective platform to get results. Okay, where comparing to Naukri and LinkedIn, if you see, in Naukri you can just only apply jobs, but here you can talk to people. That means you can email and connect with people, all that. So if that
Yeah.
possibility is there, you will have to connect with a Google recruiter or Wipro recruiter, whomever you want to wish, and then start speaking to people on whether they are recruiting these kind of people or that, so that you converse and understand. Number one. And number two, when what I have seen most of the people are doing a wrong thing is whenever they are connecting, they're immediately asking for a job. Okay. So
Yes,
supposing I'm
definitely.
connecting to a Wipro guy, Wipro HR manager, immediately I ask, okay, can you provide this job, that job? Can you review my CV? All that process, which is not a recommended model. Okay, so they will also feel awkward and they will not start interacting or conversing further. Okay, because it's an awkward situation for both of them. Rather, what I would suggest is when you connect, start interacting. Okay, appreciate their posting. Okay, this newsletter you have written well. This posting is very humorous. All that conversation you have to make it so that you connect with the people and network with people. Okay, then
Exactly.
you slowly ask, do you know somebody in Google who's recruiting for internship? Okay. Do you know somebody who's working in Microsoft? I'm
Yeah.
interested. I'm developing my web development. I'm looking for an internship. Okay. That is how you have to start the conversation and start getting connections with the other people so that your work becomes more easier versus applying to jobs. Okay. That's how you have to network with people and connect with people rather than applying to jobs. That's the recommended model. If you're looking for a one-to-one job counseling, connect with me with talkmat.io/GSKumar.